Happy Independence Day to all my lovely students, teachers and parents. We all are stuck in these difficult times due to COVID-19 pandemic. But during these tough times, we have learned so many things which we took for granted earlier.
Happy Independence.
Happy Independence Day, beta. Like our relationships, be it with our parents, grandparents, children, spouse, friends, cousins, teachers, and colleagues. I think now we have understood their importance in our lives and we miss them all badly. So it is a big lesson for us that we should value all our relationships and it is the best time to mend them all. Nature. How much we have ignored nature all these years. Nobody cares about it. But when we were stuck in our homes during the lockdown and were not able to move out, we realized how much we are connected to nature. And we are nothing without the trees, rivers, mountains, sea, animals, and birds. Moreover, we have seen that many changes occurred all over the world in the environment. In such a short span of time, rivers got cleaned, air became purified. So we have observed how nature can heal itself in such a short span of time. So now, when we know the value of nature, it is high time to live consciously and protect our Mother Earth for our future generations. The COVID-19 pandemic has accounted for tens of thousands of deaths and ultimately will affect millions more who I hope will survive. But it is also time to recognize and thank some of the heroes who have emerged so far. Millions of healthcare workers, physicians, nurses, technicians, hospital support staff, scientists, our police personnel, and others who are providing essential services and products around the world, who have faced the challenges of providing care and risking their own lives to save the lives of others. They have shown their dedication, commitment, sacrifice, and professionalism. All the schools got closed in mid of March and nobody knew about the concept of online classes. We as a school, with the help of my dedicated and passionate teachers, along with our admin team and Shriram team from Gurgaon, made a plan and executed online classes in March itself for our senior grades. For all other grades, we started by 6th of April. I want to congratulate all my teachers who took this difficult task in difficult times and worked day and night to upgrade themselves with new technology. Our school was the first one in Rohtak to introduce online PTM, online tests, different competitions, workshops for parents, teachers, and students, and of course, classes uh, with Microsoft Teams. Our teachers are regularly uploading PPTs, videos on our C Connect app and taking online classes. We would continue to provide the best of education to our kids as we never settle for less. I hope this pandemic will end soon and we will see our lovely students back in school. I also want to thank all my parents who are standing with us in these difficult times. Together as a team, we will fight it out and will come out as winners. Jai Hind,